No, I'm a grown up.
They clean you up. Oh wait, yeah. They clean your disgusting bits and stuff. Yeah, never mind. I don't want to be a pedicure. Very ugly. Not really romantic. I don't even want any romantic job. See you in the future. Bye. Oh yeah, in the future past.
And please subscribe to more videos.
I'm old. And yeah, who cares? I have to enjoy when I'm young. Anyway, a pedicure is cut your nails. They clean you. Sometimes they use that thing to cut your nails for babies. Sometimes they massage you like this. My mother's stomach. Don't wait me. Too much. Did I do too much drama? Okay, never mind. And they massage you. Do some karate chomps on your back. Massage your body, massage your thighs, your legs, and every rubbish thing you got in your body. Every single rubbish thing. That's what they do. Okay. See you in the future. Hi. A pedicure is when they cut your nail. Sometimes they use it for the baby. Massage your tummy. Oh, I bet that's a bit too much drama. And they do all your rubbish things in you, buddy. Now I'm gonna see you in the future. Hi, a pedicure is when they cut your nails inside your body. And yeah, so much fun. You left your pee, nail polish and everything. Massage your hair, and yeah. And they massage every rubbish bit of your body, mate. Like, seriously, every rubbish bit. Yeah, it's in the future. Actually, the past. Back to future. I'll see you in the future. Back in the future.
And please subscribe to more videos. Bye. See you more.
Futuristic pedicure.
Peace.
In the futuristic baby. When I was a baby, when I was a toddler, when I'm a grown up. It's shocking. I do have lots of.
No, I'm a grown up.
Just keep it down. When you're older, you need more naps.
Then you need with the massage. You need your feet.
Yeah, that's a pedicure. Like your nails, your nail polish, relax your every rubbish bit of your body.
And your body.
Every rubbish bit of your body. Let's make a song. Every rubbish bit of your body. Title. Every rubbish bit of your body. And just say every rubbish bit of your body. Pedicure. What's a pedicure? Excuse me? You work at a pedicure. Can I ask you a question? What's a pedicure? It's when we cut your nails, do everything, we massage you, we do anything for you.
And we paint your nails.
We paint your nails. You're very happy with your nails. We paint your feet, we massage your feet. Oh, okay, never mind. You can cut. You do not have to say that. Justin, I'm using a violin to chew my instrument. Like there's everything with your rubbish body. Look at my baby, my beautiful baby. She needs a pedicure. So they massage every rubbish bit of her own body. Baby, you're blocking the view, darling. Oh, that's me when I was a baby. Come here, Baba. Come here, Baba Bingo. Baba Bingo, come to me. You need a pedicure, Baba Bingo. Baba Bingo. What is that horrible sound? Well, you need a pedicure. Stop eating every rubbish thing you say in your body. Stop eating everything, every rubbish thing in your own body. Come on, let's do the shimmies. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Jimmy, 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 Jimmy. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. You need a pedicure. Oh, yeah, that's not a pedicure. Can you do APT? Can you do APT? APT, 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 APT. Oh, yeah, you totally need a... Oh, I love you, baby. You totally need a pedicure.
Mama.
And, yeah, you totally need a pedicure. Happy to everyone. Yeah, she totally needs a pedicure. You don't need to look at this. Okay, you can go. Shoo. Nappy. And look at this, darling. She also needs a pedicure. Her skin, her value. Stop eating everything of your rubbish body. Darling, you look so pretty. You go to your pedicure. Yeah, everybody's enjoying my pedicure. Okay. Ah! Pedicure for Bobby. Bobby looks horror.
Bobby, baby, in my hair. Is that pedicure in my hair?
Just comb your hair. You don't need a pedicure.
Yeah, I need my hair pedicure.
Okay. Now when you
Please subscribe to
a
more.
baby's birthday, when a baby's birthday comes and it's coming on the way, they go crazy with dolls.
And please
And
subscribe.
they need a pedicure. Don't eat everything with your rubbish body. What's inside?
And please subscribe to Mommy. Bye.
Pedicure, pedicure. I need a pedicure.